folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about tax credits. I did do another video on the tax credit that was supposed to be for 22 and 23 and I believe 24, but they've actually changed the credit. So it was a 26% tax credit for the year of 2022 on any EPA wood burning qualified product. To meet these qualifications, the testing standard needs to meet at least 75% HHV testing standard, which is a high heating value testing standard. If your product meets that 75% requirement, then you do qualify for the tax credit. That credit has actually been extended. They changed the details on the credit a little bit, so I want to update you guys with the new information. So this new tax credit is effective January 1st, 2023 and is valid through 2032. Now I can honestly say never in the industry have I ever seen a tax credit issued for such a long period of time. The rules have kind of changed on it a little bit. The tax credit has been increased up to a 30% write-off. However, there is now a cap initiated at a maximum of $2,000 to write off. So essentially this is around the $6,700 or so purchase price mark. Anything after that price point, you can't effectively write off anymore on your taxes. Now, this can be applied to the actual cost of the unit and installation cost, including materials and labor. So that would be the cost of the appliance, the cost of the chimney pipe, and the cost to do the installation. So effectively, you can write off up to about $6,700 of the purchase price, which would be 30% of that, which is going to give you a maximum $2,000 tax credit. And this is the new wood stove credit for the years 2023 to 2032. We actually do have cook stoves that qualify for this tax credit right here, and two of them are featured right beside me. The Rizzoli stoves do qualify for the tax credit. The MBS Magnum here also qualifies for the tax credit. Now this is a J.A. Roby cook stove. This is one of their EPA approved models. And while this is EPA approved, it doesn't actually meet the testing standards to actually qualify. So this one does not meet the actual credit. I do have a couple other models in my showroom that meet the credit, so I'll go ahead and show those to you as well. Here's another Rizzoli stove that qualifies for the credit, much more contemporary version. This Rizzoli L90 series qualifies for the credit, which is a bit more traditional. This Gulliver here, which has a nice warming oven option, also qualifies for the tax credit. We do have products by ABC and North for cook stoves that qualify as well. I hope this video was helpful for you today. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Liking them helps me out so much. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless y'all. Have a wonderful day.